Hi, today I'm making black-eyed peas. I like to make these at the beginning of every new year, and so I thought I would show this sort of African American tradition a few days before the first day of the new year. It's considered to be good luck to have black-eyed peas on the first day of the new year. So we're going to begin with 2 bags of frozen black-eyed peas. Now you can use dried black-eyed peas. If you decide to do that, you want to soak them in water at least 24 hours before. Next, I use smoked turkey necks. You can definitely find these at Walmart. A whole onion, a whole clove of garlic, 2 to 3 cubes of chicken bouillon. You can slice your onions, and this onion happened to be about a cup of onions. I'm using the frozen peas, and so I'm adding that to the seasoned water and just going to let that cook down. Now, because they're frozen, this will be a little faster recipe, so it'll take about an hour and a half. This is definitely a make-ahead meal, but once it's done, this is what it looks like. It is tasty. It's a wonderful first day meal. Happy New Year.